Hi everyone, I am Dr. M.S. Tamboli from Dada Patil Razare Arts, Science and Commerce College. Dear students, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. This is a very important video for all the students of FYBA Compulsory English. In this part, we are going to focus on multiple choice questions on the prose section of the prescribed text of FYBA Compulsory English of Savitribai Phule Pune University. I am sure that this video will be very interesting and useful for all the students who are going to appear for the online examination very soon. So friends, let's begin. So here comes the first question. Who is the author of the story Engine Trouble? And three options: A. A.G. Gardner, B. R.K. Narayan, and C. O. Henry. And the correct answer is B. R.K. Narayan. What prize does the narrator win in R.K. Narayan's Engine Trouble? Three options: A. An elephant, B. House, and C. Road engine. And the correct answer is road engine. Question number 3. Which show is mentioned in R.K. Narayan's Engine Trouble? Three options again: A. Gaiety Land, B. Grand Circus, or C. Showbiz. And the correct answer is Gaiety Land. Question number 4. Where was the show set up? A. Public ground, B. Municipal ground, and C. Gymkhana ground. And the correct answer is Gymkhana ground. Question number 5. What was the serial number of the ticket drawn by the author? Three options are there: A. 1004, B. 1007, and C. 1005. And the correct answer to this question is 1005. What was the condition by the showman about the prize? Three options: A. The showman will deliver the prize at home, B. The owner will have to carry the prize at his own cost, and C. The municipality will deliver the prize at home. And the correct answer is B. The owner will have to carry the prize at his own cost. Question number 7. How much amount to be paid for the driver as mentioned by the showman? Three options: A. 100 rupees, B. 200 rupees, or C. 500 rupees. And the correct answer is 100 rupees. Question number 8. Who is the narrator of the story The Engine Trouble? Three options: A. Swamiji, B. Talkative Man, or C. Municipal Chairman. And the correct answer is Talkative Man. Question number 9. What technique used by R.K. Narayan to tell the story? Three options: A. B. Flashback, or C. Flash forward. And the correct answer is flashback technique. Who sent the notice to the talkative man to remove the road engine? Three options: showman, then municipality, then police. And the correct answer is municipality. How much amount did the narrator spend to keep the engine on the ground? Three options are there: 50 rupees, 30 rupees, and 100 rupees. And the correct answer is B. 30 rupees. Question number 12. What help did the priest of the temple give to the narrator? Again, three options: money, B. the temple elephant, and C. the temple workers. And the correct answer is the temple elephant. Question number 13. How many coolies were hired by the narrator to push the engine from behind? And three options: A. 10, B 50, and C 100. The correct answer is B 50. What was the name of the driver whose service the narrator took as to drive the engine? So three names are there: A. Joseph, B. William, and C. Jim. The correct answer is A. Joseph. Question number 15. Who slapped the narrator for breaking the compound? Three options: A. Person from the crowd, B. The owner of the house, and C. The driver. Correct answer is B. The owner of the house. What did the narrator finally decide to do, failing to pay money? So three options: A. Sell the jewels, B. Run away from the village, or C. To suicide. And the correct answer is run away from the village. Who came to the help of the narrator at the last moment? Three options: municipal chairman, Swamiji, or C. His friends. And the correct answer is Swamiji. Question number 18. Who showed the yogic feats in the village of the narrator? Three options again: Swamiji, showman, or C. people. And the correct answer is Swamiji. Who was expert in handling engines? Swamiji, B. Joseph, or C. Swamiji's assistant. And the correct answer is Swamiji's assistant. Then question number 20. Who stopped from running the engine over Swamiji's body? Three options again: A. Municipal chairman, B. Police inspector, or C. Crowd. And the correct answer is B. Police inspector. 21. Question number. Who had issued the order prohibiting the engine from running over Swamiji's body? Again, three options: A. Inspector, B. Municipal chairman, or C. Magistrate. And the correct answer is magistrate. Who came to the rescue of the narrator in an unexpected manner? Three options: A. Magistrate, B. Inspector, or C. Nature. So the correct answer is C. Nature. Question number 24. Why did the owner of the house laugh heartily? And two options are given: because he got rid of his well, and B. because he got his money. And the correct answer is because he got rid of his well. Question number 25. Why was the house owner withdraw all his charges back? Again, three options: A. because his well was covered by the engine, because he got the money, because the narrator asked for his forgiveness. And the correct answer is his well was covered by the engine. Who is the author of On Saying Please? Three options: A. R.K. Narayan, B. A.G. Gardner, and C. Robert Burns. The correct answer is B. A.G. Gardner. Next question, 27. The liftman throws the passenger out for not saying which word? Three options: thank you, B. please, and C. sorry. Correct answer is B. please. Question number 28. Alpha is the pen name of which author? So which author is known by this name Alpha? Three options: R.K. Narayan, A.G. Gardner, or Robert Burns. And the correct answer is A.G. Gardner. Question number 29. According to A.G. Gardner, which of the following two words make the happy environment? A. Sorry, thank you. B. Please, thank you. And C. Excuse me, thank you. Correct answer is please, thank you. Question number 30. What the law cannot compel us to say? A. please, B, thank you, or C, sorry. The correct answer is A, please. Which character in the essay on saying please is a polite character? Three options are there. A, the liftman, B, bus conductor, or C, the narrator. And the correct answer is bus conductor. 32, question number. According to Gardner, what is not an illegal offense? And three options. A, impoliteness, B, bad behavior, or C, immoral behavior. And the correct answer is impoliteness. Question number 33. What had the author forgotten while traveling by bus? A, ticket, B, money, C, card. And the correct answer is money. What is required to make life kindly and tolerable for each other? Three options. A, money, B, civilities, or C, law. And the correct answer is civilities. What the law can protect us only from? Three options. Moral attack, B, material attack, and C, mental attack. And the correct answer is material attack. Question number 36. Who are the central characters in the story The Gift of the Magi? It should be pronounced as Magi. Three options. A, Jim and Dela, B, the narrator, and C, Magi. And the answer is A, Jim and Dela. How much amount was left with Dela for the Christmas celebration? Three options. A, $50, B, $1.87, and C, $100. And the correct answer is B, $1.87. 38. What is the rent of the flat per week hired by Jim and Dela? Three options. A, $10, B, $8, or C, $20. And the correct answer is B, $8. Question number 39. What did Dela want to do with the $1.87? Three options. A, buy sweets, B, do the shopping for herself, or buy a gift for Jim. And the correct answer is buy a gift for Jim. Question number 40. Which were two possessions in which Jim and Dela took pride? Three options. A, Jim's gold watch and Dela's hair. Then B, Jim's gold watch only. Or C, Dela's beautiful hair only. And the answer is Jim's gold watch and Dela's hair. Question number 41. The saloon where Dela went, whom? Three options. Ma'am Saproni, then B, Ma'am Sophia, and C, Ma'am Margaret. And correct answer is A, Ma'am Saproni. 42. How much amount was offered to Dela to buy her hairs? And three options. A, $25, B, $20, and C, $50. The correct answer is $20. 43. Question number. What gift did Dela buy for Jim on the Christmas? And three options. A golden chain, B, platinum fob chain, or silver chain. Correct answer is B, platinum fob chain. Platinum fob chain. Question number 44. How much did the platinum chain cost for Dela? Three options. A, $25, B, $21, and C, $50. And the correct answer is $21. Question number 45. What gift Jim had brought for Dela? Three options. A wristwatch, beautiful combs, and C, beautiful dress. and correct answer is beautiful combs. Question number 46. Why the gift of combs brought by Jim for Della was of no use? Three options: because it was very cheap, because she had sold her hairs, because she didn't like it. And the correct answer is because hairs. Question number 47. Why was Della's gift for the fob chain was useless for Jim? Three options: A, because it was very cheap, B, because Jim had sold his watch to buy a gift for Della, and C, because Della didn't like that gift. And the correct answer is option B, because Jim had sold his watch to buy a gift for Della. The Magi is a reference to one of the followings: A, children, B, three wise men, or C, innocent people. The correct answer is three wise men. What is the central theme of the story, The Gift of the Magi? And three options: A, love and sacrifice, human relations, or human psychology. And the correct answer is A, love and sacrifice. Next question. Who is the author of the story, The Gift of the Magi? A, Ruskin Bond, B, O. Henry, and C, Oscar Wilde. And the correct answer is O. Henry. Question number 51. O. Henry is the pseudonym of which of the following author? A. G. Gardner, B. William Porter, and C, Oscar Wilde. And the correct answer is B, William Porter. So friends, that's all about the first part on the prose section of your text Literary Gleam. So thank you very much for being with me, and see you in the next part, which is going to be on poetry section of the text Literary Gleam. So thanks.